is better than Bellingham. Oh my God! Hold on now, Chonky.
You don't agree? मेरा एक रीजनिंग है अगेन लाइक कि मेरे
we'll get it. तो Chonky disagrees with the statement.
भैया भी हाथ खड़ा कर रहे हैं.
Chonky disagrees with the statement. Mox, you agree. Why do you think Pedri is better?
But I think Pedri can control the tempo of the game. Pedri can dribble. Pedri can score. Pedri can do everything that Bellingham can. But can Bellingham basically sit deep and dictate the game?
He probably can't. At least मतलब Pedri के लेवल पे नहीं कर सकता.
This is not about probability.
पर वही कह रहा हूँ.
This is about
अब वही कह
talking in absolutes.
हाँ, I'm talking in absolutes. जो Bellingham की strengths हैं, they are like best in the world. Like no midfielder in the world scores
क्या strength
at the
है?
rate he
क्या
does.
strength है?
Scoring goals.
Scoring goals, but that is not the single वो एक क्या कहते हैं ना पैरामीटर जिस पे आप प्लेयर को जज करोगे.
हाँ तभी I think they are मतलब मेरे हिसाब से
Midfielders are not known to score goals.
हाँ मेरे हिसाब
पहली बात
से
तो.
you cannot tell कि एक उससे दूसरे से बेटर है like बिल्कुल convincing.
debate तो इसी बात पे हो रही है.
हाँ मैं नहीं डिबेट हो रही है कि Pedri bet को statement
Pedri is better than Bellingham.
मेरे हिसाब से अगर तुम like teams की requirement ask क्या है, Pedri is of course one of one मतलब in terms of controlling the game also creating, ये दोनों चीजें वो उसके जैसा कोई नहीं करता है.
He can score as well.
He scores as well. भाई Bellingham scores so much more. He scores more than strikers do. भाई.
But then again, that's how you perceive the game, na? It's about the overall ability of the player, and I see Pedri being a more complete player than Bellingham.
Bellingham, you can put a 40-yarder ball up top.
Okay, and
Bellingham can chest it down. दो center backs को
And can Bellingham sit deep and dictate the game? Can Bellingham
He
be
can.
press resistant? Can Bellingham be press resistant?
Of course he can. भाई यार like Bellingham is not a stiff player. Bellingham is not a stiff player. He's not a stiff player, man.
But then again, that's the limitation of his game, right?
But he can do it. वो अलग बात है. वो अलग बात है. Real Madrid में ask अलग है. Real Madrid में there are other players you have to fit in.
हम उसी के बेसिस पे तो जज करते हैं ना
ना,
जो हमें
भाई he has a career Bundesliga में पूरा.
But maybe मैं बोल दूं भाई Pedri if he plays in the Bellingham position he might also score same number of goals.
He won't. He won't.
If Rafinha can जो 2 साल पहले यहाँ पर बिल्कुल out of favor था, then Pedri can as
भाई
well.
देखो दोस्तों मैं यहाँ पे करूंगा इंटरप्ट, ठीक है भाई. ना I get it. चौकी का पॉइंट बेसिकली है कि he says कि Pedri बेटर नहीं है, मे बी इक्वल होंगे.
हाँ, equal होंगे.
This is what he thinks.